Good day, sir. I am Asrul Khair Epeldong, one of the group 2. So, our topic today is all about avoiding common injury. Strength training is highly beneficial but can lead to injury if not performed safely. Strength training is really good for your body pero pwede kang ma-injury kung hindi mo ito ginagawa ng safe. So, number 1 is warm up properly. Always warm up for 5 to 10 minutes to prepare the muscle and joint for resistance exercise. Lagi kang mag-warm up ng 5 to 10 minutes para handa na ang mga muscle at joint mo bago magsimula ng mga exercise na may bigat. So number 2 is focus on form. Good form is crucial in strength training. Using improper form, especially with pre-weight, increasing the risk of strain and injuries. Start with lighter weight and focus on technique. Ang tamang paraan ng pag-ehersisyo ay napakahalaga sa strength training. Kapag mali ang paraan mo, lalo na kapag gumagamit ka ng free weight, mas mataas na tsansa na maging sanhi ng strain o ma-injury ka. Magsimula ka muna sa magaan na mabigat at ibigay mo ang pansin sa tamang technique. So number 3, avoid overloading. Progressive overload, increase weight gradually is essential for growth, but avoid lifting too much with weight and too soon. Increasing the weight in small increment allows the muscle and joint to adapt. Ang progressive overload, pagtaas ng bigat paunti-unti ay kailangan para lumakas ka. Pero huwag kang magbigay ng sobrang bigat agad-agad. Kapag dahan-dahan mong pinapataas ang bigat, mas nakakapag-adjust ka ng muscle at joint mo. So, number 4 is listen to your body. Pay attention to any sign of discomfort or pain, especially sharp pain, which can indicate an injury. Allows time to recovery between intense workout to prevent overtraining. Pakinggan mo ang iyong katawan. So, paano mo pakikinggan ang iyong katawan? Kung may nararamdaman kang kirot o sakit, lalo na kung matalim ang sakit, maaari na itong senyales ng injury. Bigyan mo ng oras ng katawan mo para gumaling pagkatapos ng matitinding workout para hindi ma-overtrain. So, number 5, use spotter safety equipment. For heavy lifting exercise such as squat or bench presses, use a spotter or safety equipment. A spotter helps ensure safe movement patterns and assist if you experience difficulty with the weight. Use spotter and safety equipment. Kapag gumagawa ka ng mga exercise na mabigat na timbang tulad ng squat o bench presses, gumamit ka ng spotter o safety equipment. Ang spotter ay tumutulong sa iyo para mapanatili ang tamang galaw at tumutulong din kung nahihirapan ka na sa bigat. So, next topic natin today is flexibility test and assessment. So, number 1, sit and reach test. This test measures the flexibility of the lower back and hamstring. Instruction: sit with legs extended and feet against a box or flat surface. Reach forward as far as possible, aiming to touch your toes. Measure how far you can reach beyond your feet or where you stop if unable to reach your toes. Instruction: umupo ka with legs straight at ilagay ang mga paa mo against a box or flat surface. Iabot mo yung kamay mo pasulong hanggang sa makaya mo. Try mong hawakan ng yung mga daliri ng paa. Sukatin kung gaano kalayo mo narating beyond your feet or kung saan ka tumigil kung hindi mo maabot ang yung mga paa. Assessment: a greater reach indicate better hamstring and lower back flexibility. Ibig sabihin, kung mas malayo ang maabot ng maabot mo, ibig sabihin mas flexible ang iyong hamstring at lower back. So number two, shoulder flexibility test. This test assess shoulder flexibility, particularly for overhead movement. This test check flexibility ng mga balikat lalo na para sa mga movement na kailangang itaas ang braso overhead. Instruction: stand tall, extend one arm overhead and bend the elbow to reach down to back. With the other arm, reach up from behind the back, attempting to touch both hand together. Instruction: tumayo ka ng tuwid, itayo ang isang braso pataas tapos balugtod ang elbow. Para maabot mo pababa ang likod mo, gamitin ang kabilang braso para abutin pataas mula sa likod ng likod mo. At subukan hawakan ng dalawang kamay mo sa isa't isa. Assessment: the closer the hand can reach or overlap, the better than shoulder flexibility. Assessment: ibig sabihin kung mas malapit o nakakasya pa ang mga kamay mo, mas maganda ang flexibility ng iyong mga balikat. So number 3, front rotation test. This test checks flexibility in the spine and core. Ibig sabihin, test the flexibility ng spine, buto ng likod, at core, mga muscle ng tiyan at bewang. Instruction: sit on the floor with legs extended, hold a stick or rod across the shoulder, twist as far as you can to do the right, then to the left, keeping the lower body stationary. So instruction: upo ka sa sahig with legs straight. Hawakan mo isang stick or rod na naka-across sa iyong mga balikat. Iikot mo ang iyong katawan hanggang sa makaya mo sa kanan, tapos sa kaliwa. Tignan mong hindi gumalaw ang lower part ng iyong katawan. Measure how far you can twist in each direction. Increased rotation indicates better spinal flexibility. Ibig sabihin, sukatin kung gaano kalayo ang makakaikot sa bawat direksyon. Kung mas malawak ang pag-ikot mo, mas flexible ang iyong spine. So, number 4, hip flexor test. This test help assess hip flexibility, essential for lower body. Instruction: lay on your back on the edge of a table or bench, allowing one leg to hang off while holding the other knee to the chest. Then, tight of the hanging leg should drop below the vein, indicating good hip flexibility. Humiga ka on your back. Instruction: humiga ka on your back sa gilid ng isang mesa or bench. Hayaan mong mahulog ang isang paa palabas ng mesa habang hawak mo ang kabilang tuhod papunta sa iyong dibdib. Dapat bumaba ang tight. Itaas ang bahagi ng hita nang nakahawak na paa pababa sa antas ng bench. Ibig sabihin nun, maganda ang flexibility ng iyong balakang. Assessment: if the tight cannot reach below the table level, it may indicate tight hip flexor. Ibig sabihin, kung di maabot ng tight ang ibaba ng mesa, maaaring masikip ang iyong hip flexor, mga muscle sa harap ng balakang. So, yun lamang po.